Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making a stable ganache because texture determines the final truffle. Heat 100 g heavy cream to about 70 degrees C. Pour over 200 g chopped dark chocolate. Wait 1 minute, then stir gently to emulsify. This creates a glossy, stable base. Add 1 tablespoon butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla if desired for mouthfeel and flavor depth. Once the mixture is homogeneous, transfer to a shallow container and refrigerate 30 to 45 minutes. Once the ganache is cold enough, scoop using a melon baller or 1 teaspoon and place portions on parchment. This speeds uniform sizing. You should work quickly. Warm hands will melt the surface, so cool them with a quick rinse or wear food-safe gloves. Roll each portion lightly between palms to round it, but not so hard you melt it. Gentle pressure preserves texture. Then return the shapes to the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes, which firms the center and ensures they won't collapse when coated. You finish by coating the set truffles in cocoa powder for contrast and grip. Place 2 tablespoons sifted cocoa in a shallow bowl and either roll each truffle or dust with a small sieve. The dry cocoa highlights the ganache. Make sure to work in a cool, dry area to prevent sweat and stickiness. Store truffles in a single layer in the fridge or a cool pantry and serve within 3 to 4 days. If they turn sticky, rechill for 10 minutes and redust with cocoa powder. This resolves most texture issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.